Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sorium for those of you that do not know me. And in today's video, I'm doing something really fun. I'm doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. So this is going to be really crazy because I don't know how it's going to turn out. But I recently saw Carly Bible do this on her YouTube channel, which I'll have linked below if you want to check that video out. But it looked like a lot of fun and kind of stressful. So I guess I don't want to put myself through some stress, and we're gonna do it. So I have all my makeup kind of laid out on my table here that I'm gonna use today, just so I don't have to like dig around for stuff. And then I have my phone set for the timer, and we're just gonna go ahead and do it. I'm like kind of nervous because I don't know how this is gonna be. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the start button and then we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna probably not talk a lot through this, just to like speed it up. Or let me see, make sure I have my brushes out so I could do this quick. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna hit start. Alright, it's going. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm starting with foundation, just using my NARS Radiant, whatever, natural longwear. So I'm just using a big fat brush because this is faster with a brush. Oh my god, I'm stressing myself out. And I put it everywhere. And I'm actually going out today. I have some errands to run, so this better look good. Okay, that's good. Alright, so for concealer, I'm just using my Fit Me concealer. Oh, I have asthma right now. I don't know if it's because spring is around the corner, but not good. I have 3 minutes left. Oh my god, how do I have 3 minutes only? Am I good? Alright, I'm going to set my under eye real quick with Fit Me powder. Just going to use my beauty blender. And my eyelids. I don't want it to crease. Oh my god. Okay, for the rest of my face, I'm just going to use a brush. Oh my god, this is impossible. Okay, bronzer. I take 5 minutes just on my foundation. This is crazy. Oh my god. And then blush, just using one from MAC. Oh my god, 2 minutes. And then I'm just gonna do some quick on my eyes. Oh my god, that looks awful. I'm gonna match it. Oh my god, freaking out. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, 1 minute left. Oh, I have to do my eyebrows still. My eyebrows take the longest. Just gonna fill out the like tail. Okay. Alright. I don't use lashes like on the daily, so I'm just gonna curl and mascara. And this is the Lush Stiletto from Maybelline. Oh my god. I don't want my mascara to get on my eyes. Oh my god, this is so hard. Oh my god, 47 seconds. Oh, I forgot to take my highlighter out. I'm gonna highlight real quick. Oh my god, 30 seconds. Alright, highlighter's on. I'm gonna do the lips. Oh my god, 19 seconds. Alright, and then I'm just gonna set my face. I did it! Oh, I'm done. Oh my god, 8 seconds. 7, 6. I finished before I finished. Oh my god. Wow. That was like the quickest 5 minutes of my life. The lips don't look bad. I actually used the NYX Liquid Suede one in Tea and Cookies. It looks pretty. Like a nice pretty pink. My eyeshadow looks horrendous. Oh my god, look, this is like already creasing because I didn't set it right. And my eyebrows are like, ew, my eyebrows are so bad. Oh my gosh, that was awful. That was so scary. Oh, I did not need that pressure so early in the morning. But that's it. Oh, and I'm just going to tell you guys what I used because I kind of didn't. So, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And then I used Fit Me Concealer. And I guess I have Fiji. And then I have this, the number 20. It's, what is it? Sand. For powder, let me close it. For powder, I use the Fit Me powder, and this one is in Fair Light number 10. Got some powder in here, but for the bronzer, I just use the, oh my god. So for bronzer, I use the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. I have some powder stuff in there. For my blush today, I used this one from MAC. It's called Desert Rose. So pretty. You can't even see it. And then for my eyebrows, I just used the MAC eyebrow pencil in the color Spiked. Again, Tea and Cookies from NYX Liquid Suede. Mascara, Lash Stiletto from Maybelline. I curled my lashes just with my curler, and then I finished everything off with some Chill Makeup Setting Spray from Urban Decay. And, oh, and for my eyeshadow, I just used the Carly Bible palette. I was inspired by Carly, so I used this one first. Oh my god, that was a bad idea. It looked really bad, just like with my finger. So then I just put this one on top, which is one of my favorite colors in this whole palette. It's like this really pretty rosy gold shade. And yeah, so that is gonna be it for this crazy video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every week, usually twice a week. So I have linked below more videos if you want to check those out, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye. Alright, now I have to fix these eyebrows because I'm going out. I literally could take 5 minutes alone on my eyebrows. So this was very stressful for me. Oh my god, this one is so bad. I have like a little bit of hair on this side. Like I don't have enough hair. So I have to really draw them in here. Fix my eyeshadow too. Oh my god, I did some crazy colors yesterday, and all my brushes are full of like purple and red. Oh my gosh. this mess away.